Dear friends, have a good day. Here in this video, today we are going to look at measures of central tendency, mean, median and mode for discrete frequency series. To find mean, median and mode for discrete frequency series, do the following steps. Step 1. Select any two row or column and name them as X and F, then enter their values one by one. Step 2. Select any column and enter the cell value of X number of times equal to its corresponding frequencies and name the row as new X. Step 3. On the Data tab, click Data Analysis. Step 4. Select Descriptive Statistics and click OK. Step 5. Select the range new X as the input range. Step 6. Select any cell as the output range. Step 7. Make sure summary statistics is checked. Step 8. Click OK. These are all the procedure to find mean, median, mode in a discrete frequency series. Have a look at this example. Find the value of mean, median and mode for the following data. Here it has been given that X is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 and F is 2, 7, 12, 7, 2. Now we are going to find the mean, median, mode for the above given series. Here the output is mean, median and mode for the given data is 15. So this is the opening screen of my desktop. First off, you have to launch Microsoft Excel. To launch Microsoft Excel, what you have to do is, first off, click here the start button. Then the screen will look like this. There you can find the Excel icon. So click here to launch Excel. Then this screen will open. Then click here to launch Microsoft Excel workbook. Now you have successfully launched the Excel workbook. Now we are going to enter the data you want to compute the central tendency. So step 1, select any two column and name them as X and F and enter their values one by one. So here we have selected the column B and C and named them as X and F and we have entered their values one by one. And then step 2, select any column and enter the cell value of X number of times equal to the cell value of F column and name it as new X. So here we have selected the column D and enter the value of X number of times equal to the frequencies and we have named them this column as new X. And then step 3, click on the Data tab and click Data Analysis. Then the Data Analysis toolbox will open. There select the Descriptive Statistics and click OK. Then this Descriptive Statistics dialog box will open. Now click here to select the input data range. Then this Descriptive Statistics dialog box will open. Now select the data range of X. Again click here to select the output range. Again this Descriptive Statistics dialog box will open. Now click here to select the output range. Again this Descriptive Statistics dialog box will open. Now click anywhere on the worksheet where you want to display the results and then click here. Again this Descriptive Statistics dialog box will open. Now click here to enable the summary statistics. Then click OK. So enable the summary statistics and then click here to OK. Finally, the summary statistics will be displayed on your worksheet. There you can find the mean, median, mode, standard deviation, sample variance, kurtosis, skewness, range, minimum, maximum, sum, count of the given discrete frequency series. Thank you.